So this dude right here, xEpicBlade, he's using a, I'm guessing he's AFK, but this dude is teleporting all around the map. Yeah, so this dude's teleporting all around the map and auto robbing. Like, I was waiting till the bank opened, so this dude could pop up at the Capital Act. So I'm the first one inside. Nobody else knew but me. So this dude should be in here, like probably be inside here already, or he's gonna teleport here. Let's see. Oh, he's done for something anyway. Crap. Let's see. Where is he? Come on, bro. Teleport. I missed a chance. He's busy robbing somewhere else. Because usually, like, where he is, he's literally, like, mid-air, just crouching. Like, last time, when I went to rob the jewelry store, this dude, like, he was literally there before me, and you see how fast he was punching the glass. He just teleported outside by the time he was finished punching the glass. Oh, he just robbed the museum. So maybe he'll be here. Let me wait here for a while. Let's see. Come on. He just robbed the museum. So hopefully he teleports here. Come on, man. Does not pop up? I don't know. Maybe I should try to catch him by the building, because... Oh, there he is right there! He just teleported. Yep, simulator, flying. And so his name is xEpicBlade. And then when he finishes getting his money, he's like really out of here. Keep going until he teleports away. Oh, he's out. See, he's already out. Let me get out of here.